Hey guys, so I'm back with another video and I wanted to talk about Mented Cosmetics. If you guys are aware or not aware, I'm a big fan of Mented Cosmetics. I am a Mented Cosmetics mentor, and no, I do not only say amazing good things about them because I'm partnering with them. I 1000% enjoy Mented Cosmetics products. I cannot say one single bad thing about anything they've ever come out with. And if you even look back in my Instagram, I was a fan of theirs since like 2017, 2018. So it's honestly like such an amazing honor to like be partnering with them on so many things that they come out with. And I love sharing them with you guys. Let's just get into it. I'm rambling. So they are releasing a new product. This is it in its packaging, and what's one thing that we all love and need in our makeup kits, makeup sets, makeup drawers? Their highlighter palette. We love highlighting, so it's only natural that they would hit us with some gems. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Of course, their signature black sleek packaging with gold lettering. I absolutely love it. I haven't really played with them too much. I have looked at them, but I haven't even hit them with a swatch or anything, so we're gonna do that together. This is glow on, glow up, glow out, and glow girl. So no matter what, you're gonna be glowing, and that's what we need, that's what we love. They also came out with a brush. I still have it like it's packaging. That's how you know it's real, you guys. Like, I have not even taken this out. So this is their newest brush. Again, matte black, gold lettering. It's an angled brush. It's pretty dense, but so soft. Like, so soft. You're gonna get such amazing application from this. Like, I can tell already. A brush like this can be used in so many different ways, like so many. You can use this for contouring. You can use it to just bronze up the face. You can use it to apply your setting powder under the eyes. You can use this to apply your highlighter with. Powder all over your face. Like, there's so many different uses for a big brush like this, and I love that it's angled. So you're gonna get a nice precision with this brush. Let's give these a little swatchy, shall we? So I'm gonna start with Glow Up. So that's this shade right here. I'm gonna start here. I'm just gonna swirl it a bit. I'm not pressing hard. Wow, that's so nice. Can you see that? It's like this champagne. Oh, that's really pretty. I need to add a little bit more. I'm trying to make it really pop. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. It's like, it's almost like a wet. It almost looks wet, the shimmer. It's so pretty. Look at that. You can see that from a mile away. That's so nice. Okay, so let's move on to Glow On. Look at that. Holy cow, that is pigmented. They look wet. And these two like highlighter bronzer shades. So I'm digging into Glow Girl. Wow. And they're so buttery. Oh, so buttery. Holy cow. Like, I want to put that all over my body. All over my body. That is, and if I haven't told you I'm the worst at swatching, I'm telling you right now. Okay, and let's try, I got a pinky. Let's try Glow Out. Wow, like, they're so creamy. They're so stunning. Like, I want to go on vacation and like put it all over my body. I love the brush. It blends so nice and easy, and it feels so soft. You don't feel like there's bristles stabbing you in the face. I love how multi-use it is. You can use it to bronze up the face, you can use it to contour, set your powders, anything like that. This is literally perfect for it. Of course, a little bit on like the collarbones. Oh, you're gonna look delicious. I'm telling you, you need this. These colors are just like to die for. So definitely check these out. Little review, unboxing, call it what you will, but you need it. I will have all the links down below. I do have a coupon code. Use it if you want to, but I mean, who doesn't want a couple coins off their purchase? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah.